It's live now, I think. Okay. A very good evening, friends. How are you? As you know that we are running the healthcare awareness programs, and today we are trying to cover the topic diabetes, its management. Just I'm recording. Okay. So, as you know that the diabetes in India is said to be a capital of the world with nearly 50 million people in India suffering from the diabetes. The country has biggest challenge to face. First, I just wanted to let you know what is diabetes. See, diabetes is a condition that impairs the body's ability to produce or to process blood glucose, otherwise known as its blood sugar. Okay, even if we are talking about its further types and other things, we'll have a basic understanding of its types. We'll be able to recognize the sign, symptoms of whether it is hypoglycemic condition or hyperglycemic condition, and we'll know who to contact immediately in such case of emergency. So for that, you should know about each and every aspects. See, without ongoing careful management, diabetes can lead to buildup of sugar in the blood. See, which can increases the risk of dangerous complications, including a stroke as well as heart diseases. Different kinds of diabetes can occur, and managing the condition that depends on the its type. Not all forms of diabetes stem from a person being overweight or leading to an inactive lifestyle. In fact, some are present from the childhood. For that, you need to understand the type, which is very much required, as I told you. So, first, I just wanted to say that three major types of that can develop type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. See, now going towards the type 1 diabetes, which is also known as juvenile diabetes. This type, which is occur when the body fails to produce the insulin. People with type 1 diabetes are insulin dependent. Which means they must take artificial insulin daily to stay alive. Okay, there are very examples we saw in our day-to-day life. The peoples, they are just taking the insulins. Okay, the next one is diabetes type 2. That affects the way the body uses insulin, while the body still makes insulin, unlike in type 1, but the cell in the body do not respond to it as effectively as they once did. Okay, so what happened in this is the most common type of diabetes according to the National Institute of Diabetes and digestive kidney disease, and it has a strong link with obesity. Okay, now let me tell you the third one, that is the gestational diabetes. See, this type of diabetes occurs in women during the pregnancy when the body can become less sensitive to the insulin. In such conditions, in gestational diabetes does not occur in all women, and usually resolves after giving the birth to the baby. That's why it's known to be a gestational diabetes. Okay, now I'm just tell you about the pre-diabetes. See, sometimes the doctor refers to some people as having pre-diabetics or borderline diabetes. when the sugar level is usually in the range of 100 to 125 milligram per deciliter. Okay, as you know that the normal sugar level, if I talk about the fasting glucose level in the plasma, that seems to be 70 to 100 milligram per deciliter, and it's post prednisolone after taking breakfast. There will be a 2 hours gap. The that glucose level should be 70 to 140 mg per dl. Since whereas a person with diabetes with a fasting sugar level, I already told, see, the pre-diabetes level means that blood glucose is higher than the usual values, but not so high as to contribute the diabetes. So in this case, the people with the pre-diabetic conditions are however at the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Okay, although they do not usually experiences the symptoms of full diabetes, since the risk factors that are associated with pre-diabetes, type 2 diabetes are somehow similar. They include being overweight. This is the first cause, as I already told you. Second, a family history of diabetes. Third, it's having a high density lipoprotein cholesterol level lower than 40 mg per dl, or it might be 50 mg per dl. It's also maybe a high history of high blood pressure in the family, having gestational diabetes, or giving birth to a child with a birth weight of more than 9 pounds. So in this case, there will be a risk factor. So if somebody is having a PCOS, means a history of polyovarian syndrome. As in yesterday deliberation by Dr. Ute, he has said about the producing slimmer baby. So what concept was behind the producing slimmer babies and reducing the cesarean sections? It's that you need to avoid the soft drinks during the gestational period, so that the sugar level will be maintained. So you are not supposed to be gestational diabetic. Okay, got it. And uh, if we are talking, if being of African American Indian native, so in that condition you need to take care, especially you need to consume the food which is having a low glucose content. So for that, being more than 45 years of age and having a sedentary lifestyle, you need to change that parameter. Now comes to the, if your doctor identifies that uh, uh, if you have a pre-diabetic condition, so in that they will recommend that the individual makes healthful changes that can ideally stop the progression of type 2 diabetes. Means you need to work on your lifestyle changes. You need to losing your weight and having a more healthful diet that can often help to prevent the disease. Now the point is that how insulin problems develop. Am I right? Okay, let's move towards that. See, we know that even doctors, they don't know the exact causes of type 1 diabetes. Okay, so in type 2 diabetes, also known as insulin resistance, has clearer its cause. Insulin allows the glucose from person's food to access the cell in the body to supply energy. All right. So in this condition, insulin resistance is usually a result in the following cycle. What is that? First, let me tell you. A person has genes or an environment that makes it more likely that they are unable to make enough insulin to cover how much glucose they eat. Okay. Second, the body tries to make extra insulin to process the excess of blood glucose. Am I right? Okay. Third thing is that the pancreas cannot keep up with the increased demand, and the excess of blood sugar starts circulated in the blood and causes damage. Okay. Fourth one, I just wanted to share that insulin becomes less effective at introducing glucose to the our cells, and blood sugar levels in a continue to rise. Okay, so what happened in the case of type 2 diabetes? Insulin resistance take place gradually, and this is the main reason why doctors often recommend making lifestyle changes in an attempt to slow or reverse this cycle. Okay, now moves to towards as in this condition there is an insulin resistance in our body. So doctor prescribe for lifestyle modification, lifestyle changes. So what's required? So if somebody has a diagnosis, a person with type 2 diabetes, so in that case they will have often recommend making lifestyle changes to support the body weight, means to he means she needs to lose the weight and overall health improvement. So in that case a person with diabetes or pre-diabetes to a nutritionist and a specialist, that they can help a person with diabetes that leads an active, balanced lifestyle and manage the condition. Okay, yes. So, a step a person can take to embrace a lifestyle with diabetes that includes eating a diet high in fresh, nutritious food that includes whole grain, fruits, vegetables. You need to take lean protein, low fat diet required, healthy fatty sources such as nuts you need to consume. Okay. Even in yesterday lecture, the Dr. Ute has told us you need not to consume the soft drinks. So high sugar content that contains high sugar level. So again, I am mentioning this thing. So even although it's working in the gestational diabetes case also, you need to avoid high sugar food that provide empty calories or calories that do not have other nutritional benefits, such as sweetened the sodas, fried foods and high sugar desserts. Okay, now comes to the refining. uh, uh, like uh, you need fresh vegetables you need to consume, refraining from drinking excessive amount of alcohol, keeping intake of less than one drink a day for a woman or two drinks a day for a man. But you need to avoid the drinking of alcohol, you need to avoid the smoking, that is the required. Okay, so after that I just wanted to say that engaging yourself at least 30 minutes for an exercise a day, at least 5 day of the week, such as you start walking, some aerobics, riding a bike or a swimming. That is the good habits you need to avoid, you need to accept it. Okay. uh, so okay, now you need to recognizing the sign of low blood sugar when exercising, including you feel like dizziness, some confusion, weakness, and profuse sweating. So it means your body sugar level has goes down. So the people can take steps to reduce their body mass index, that's BMI, which can help some people with type 2 diabetes manages the condition without medication. Okay, the point to be noted. And let me tell you, the slow, steady weight loss goals are more likely to help a person to retain long term benefit. So that's why you need to adopt this transformational lifestyle modifications. Okay, now moving toward other aspect, like people using type 1 diabetes, people with type 1 diabetes and some people with type 2 diabetes may needs to inject or inhale the insulin, okay, to keep their blood sugar level from becoming too high. So various types of insulins are available, and most are grouped by how long their effect lasts. There are rapid, regular, intermediate, and long acting insulins. Some people will use a long acting insulin injections. Even my colleague, my friends also, they are like diabetic, so they are using that. So to maintain consistently low blood sugar level, some people may use short acting insulin or a combination of insulin, they also used. And whatever the type, a person will usually check their blood sugar levels using a finger stick. uh, and even this method is like for checking your blood sugar level involves using a special portable machine, which you already know, it is known as glucometer. Am I right? Okay. A person with type 1 diabetes will then use the reading of their blood sugar levels to determine how much insulin they need. So, in that way, self monitoring is the only way a person can find out of their blood sugar levels. It's assuming the level from any physical symptoms that occurs may be dangerous unless unless a person suspects extremely low glucose and thinks they needs a rapid dose of glucose. So now the question is that how much is too much. So let me tell you the thing. In this case, insulin helps people with diabetes live an active lifestyle. However, it can lead to a serious side effects, especially if a person administer it too much. I already told you all that किसी भी चीज की अति अच्छी नहीं होती, चाहे वो इंसुलिन हो चाहे वो कोई भी चीज हो. So that's why the question is how much is too much. Okay, so excessive insulin can cause hypoglycemia or extremely low blood sugar and leads to nausea. That leads to the nausea, sweating, even shaking, and it is essential that people measure insulin carefully and eat a consistent diet that balance blood sugar levels as much as possible. Okay. Yes. Sorry. So in addition to the insulin, many viewers has the query that other types of medications, what are available that can help a person to manage their condition. So metformin for type 2 diabetes, doctors somehow like prescribe metformin in a pill or a liquid form. So it contributes to lowering your blood sugar level and making insulin more effective. So it can help in weight loss, and having a healthy weight can reduce the impact of diabetes. So have you heard the gynae doctor, when the patient came to the lady doctor and the patient said he is having the PCOS problem, he is having menstrual problem, the menses are not regular. So what doctor has prescribed? Doctor has given the some medicines that normalize their hormonal level in the body, and with that there is a combination of metformin. So that will also helps in the reduction of weight loss and maintaining the body sugar level. Okay, having a healthy weight can reduce the impact of diabetes, as I just told. So as well as diabetes, a person may also have other health risks. So, and they may need medication to control this. If your doctor will advise the individual about their needs. Okay, so now comes to the, yes, now comes to the SGLT2 inhibitors and GLP-1 receptor agonists. Now you have a question, what is this? Just wait. As we saw that in 2018 there will be a new there was a new guideline that also recommended the prescribing additional drugs for people with atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, and if they are having a um, chronic kidney diseases. So in such conditions, these are sodium glucose co-transporter 2 inhibitor, SGLT inhibitor, or glucagon like peptide GLP-1 receptor agonist. So for those with atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease and a high risk of heart failure, this guideline advise doctors to prescribe an sodium glucose co-transporter 2 inhibitors. Okay, uh, now what about GLP 1 receptor agonist? It works by increasing the amount of insulin in the body produces and decreasing the amount of glucose that enters the our bloodstream. Okay, it is an injectable drug. Okay, all right. The people may use it with metformin in the combination or alone as well. So side effect includes the gastrointestinal problem nausea and some loss of appetite they observe. Now comes to the SLGT2 inhibitor. These are the new type of drug for lowering the blood sugar levels. They work separately from insulin. All right, they work separately from insulin, and they may be useful for the pupils who are not ready for start uh, using the insulin. People can take it by mouth orally, and the side effect include a high risk of urinary as well as genital infection and ketoacidosis. Okay, so this is about the treatment and medication what I discussed. Now, the what self monitoring is required in every disease condition and every healthcare aspects. We need to work on ourselves. Self monitoring is much more needed in each aspects and each path of our life. So why not in the diabetes? Definitely, it's very much required. So self-monitoring blood sugar level is a vital for effective diabetes management. It helping to regulate the meal scheduling, physical activity, and when to take medication, including uh, insulin. Okay, so while self monitoring blood sugar machine varies, they will generally include a meter and the test strips for generating the readings and a lancing device to prick the skin for obtaining a small quantity of blood. See, refer to the specific instructions of a meter in every cases as machine will differ. However, the following precautions which I'm going to give you and steps will apply to many of the machines on the markets which are available. So what are that? First, make sure that both hands are clean and dry before touching the test strips or a meter. Do not use a test strip more than once and keep them in their original canister to avoid any external moisture changing, because the moisture can change the result somehow. So keep canister closed after testing. Anyhow, you need to closely pack that canister. Always check the expiration date, and you need to store the meter and strips in a dry cooler area. Take a meter and strip into consultation so that a primary care physician or specialist can check their effectiveness. Okay, I know you are just using by yourself, but somehow there will be in backside a physician, your specialist, so you need to concern with them on also. See, a person who is having self monitoring diabetes uses a device called a lancet to prick the skin, and while the data of drawing the blood might causes distress of some pupils, the lancing of the finger to obtain a blood sample should be a gentle, simple procedure. Okay, so for that also I'm just giving you precaution. You need to clean the area from which the sample will come with a soapy warm water to avoid food residue entering the device and distorting the readings. Okay, second, I just wanted to say that choosing a small thin lancet for maximum comfort. Okay, otherwise that will hurts you. Okay, so many meter required only a teardrop size sample of blood, so that will be good. So while some meters allow samples from other test sites such as the thigh, upper arm, and the fingertip or outer palm produces accurate results. So tease blood to the surface in the milking motion. All right, rather than placing the pressure at the lancing site. uh, okay, after that you need to dispose of the lances in line with a local regulation for getting rid of sharp objects. So while remembering to self monitor involves lifestyle adjustment, it needs not to be uncomfortable process, but it's a good healthy practice you need to adopt. Okay, we know that the like diabetes is a serious problem, chronic condition. We know that um, as per the chronic condition, according to American Diabetic Association, the condition is the seventh leading cause of death in the US. And while diabetes itself is manageable, its complication can severely impact on daily living, and so can be fatal if not treated immediately. So you need to take it as a serious note. Complications of diabetes, I just wanted to tell you that the dental and gum diseases, all right, eye problems, sight loss. If you are not being serious of this, your eyesight will lost. So you need to be give special care for this parameter. This is required. So foot problems, like suddenly you saw your foot has swollen, might be your sugar level has increased. Please take a special note on this. You need to go to your physician or doctor, check a routine, do the routine blood sugar testing that is required, including like a food problem, like the numbness leading to a ulcer, untreated injuries, cuts, and the swelling as well, heart disease, and even it may damage some extent to a kidney, stroke, nerve damage such as diabetic neuropathy. So uh, आपने क्या समझा इससे? You need to take special attention on diabetes. इसे हमें ध्यान से हटाना नहीं है, हमें इसे बहुत सीरियस वे में लेना है. इवन प्लीज, आई थिंक 400 रुपीज माइट बी. सो जांच के लगते हैं, द फास्टिंग एंड द आफ्टर फास्टिंग रिपोर्ट्स. So that's after once age you need to take a routine checkup as well. That's required. Okay, if you found like any of the symptoms, definitely you need to consult with your doctors. Okay, so in the case of kidney disease, I'll just add some points here. In case of kidney disease, this complication can lead to kidney failure, water retention, when the body does not dispose of water correctly, and a person experiencing difficulties with the bladder control. uh, मैं इसलिए आपको से ये चीज़ बता रही हूँ बिकॉज द पर्सन हु इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी इन माई फैमिली, suddenly what happened to him, he is very young, like suddenly one day when his father has died, the same day his foot has swollen. And what happened, he even he doesn't know, within 1 year he's like the condition so worse. His kidney has affected, he is on dialysis, even he is having eyesight problems. uh, God knows what happened with him or what will be the consequences. But if he goes with the earlier medication and the precautionary aspects and the managerial aspects, so I don't think so कि इस तरह से complications होते. So that's why I'm just focusing on this factor. Please take a serious note on this. That leads to a kidney failure also. So regular monitoring blood glucose levels and moderating glucose intake can help people prevent the more damaging complications of type 2 diabetes. All right. So for those with type 1 diabetes, taking insulin is the only way to moderate and control the effect of the condition. Okay. Now comes to like, I just wanted to share the things. The diabetes is a life-changing condition, definitely. That requires careful blood sugar management and a healthy lifestyle for a person to be able to manage it correctly. There are several different types of diseases. Type 1 occur when the body does not produce insulin. Type 2 happens when excess consumption of high sugar foods floods the blood supply with glucose and reduce the production and effectiveness of the insulin. So people can take, in this case, so people can take supplementary insulin to manage the condition and to improve glucose absorption. If a person has pre-diabetes, they can reduce the risk of full diabetes. Again, I'm focusing on the same parameter, which is very much required to understand. Okay, now the point is, yeah, somebody has asked the question, how does high blood sugar level feel? high blood sugar level feels, means hyperglycemic condition. All right. So to maintain the right amount of blood sugar, the body needs insulin, a hormone that delivers this sugar to the cells. When insulin is lacking blood, now the question is that can type 2 diabetes become type 1 diabetes? It is sometimes thought that people with type 2 diabetes may then develop type 1 diabetes, while some people with type 2 diabetes, yes, diabetes can develop type 1 diabetes when they taken insulin, but this is not true. So it's not true. Like type 1 and type 2 diabetes have many features in common, including problem with glucose, including problem with glucose controls. However, the two conditions are distinct, and one does not transform into other anymore. Okay. So roughly 90 to 95% of adults with diabetes have type 2. uh, okay. What type of food you need to take in that condition, somebody has told me. What symptoms associated with type 1 diabetes? Okay, okay, okay. So extreme hunger, yes, thirst, प्यास आपको बहुत लगेगी. Your hungerness has increased, thirst has increased, uh, unintentional weight loss, frequent urination, blurry vision, tiredness. It may also result in somehow your mood swings. Okay, these are the some symptoms that is associated with the type 1 diabetes. Okay, type 2 diabetes. That includes, again, I'm telling, the increased hunger, increased thirst, increased urination, blurry vision, tiredness, sores that are slow to heal. It may also cause recurring infections. This is because of elevated glucose levels that makes it harder for the body to heal. Okay. In gestational diabetes, uh, in gestational diabetes, in the starting I said most women with gestational diabetes don't have any symptoms. The condition is often detected during the during her routine blood sugar testings or oral glucose tolerance test that is usually performed between 24th to 28th week of like gestation period. In rare cases, a woman with gestational diabetes will also experience increased thirst and the urination. This is two the symptoms that is noticeable over there. Okay. Complications I already told you. So that's no need to be repeat, like heart disease, neuropathy, nephropathy, loss, hearing loss, your eyesight loss, foot damage, and the skin conditions, depression, dementia. There are lots of, you know, how. Especially, I just wanted to add here for during pregnancy, gestational diabetes. The uncontrolled gestational diabetes can lead to problem that affects both the mother and the baby. Complications affecting the baby can include premature baby, okay, higher than normal weight at birth. This yesterday we added producing a slimmer baby, you need to reduce your glucose level. Matlab, this gestational diabetes you need to avoid. so the weight of the baby is high. In that case, definitely you will go for the cesarean. Okay, low blood sugar level, jaundice, and please note stillbirth, the abortion. So high risk is it. So be careful of this parameter also. Okay, treatment I already discussed. Okay, so what you want to know, it's up to you. I'm just connecting via Facebook. What questions do you have? Thanks, Dr. Ute. Great presentation, valuable information to women of reproducible age group. Yes, definitely it is. Because yesterday, Dr. Ute, one thing I just wanted to add here. Yesterday, you have give your deliberation, and I was quite surprised that what exactly content you going to deliberate and how we like how we produce a slimmer baby so that we can avoid the cesarean. But once I go through your lecture, your presentation, then I met with the conclusion that producing slimmer baby concept is relevant to our lifestyle modifications. So that's why today I planned this lecture on the diabetes, so that most of the women, those are listening through this social media, they should be aware, like gestational diabetes, what are the circumstances and what are the associated symptoms over there. So thank you for your words. Any questions from your side? Okay, so many viewers, they just want the treatments that are associated with the ayurveda. Already I discussed with the allopathic one. I'm not fond of homeopathic, but yes, ayurveda, because during this lockdown period I used to with the ayurvedic, like I like more towards the nature, and I started ayurvedic aspect also. So I just giving you a special note on ayurveda for diabetes. Okay, so there are many ways in which you can manage your diabetes and untimely blood sugar fluctuations, like by maintain a healthy diet. So ayurveda has many tips that you could help yourself through it. So in diabetes mellitus, this is the condition that I already told, that hinders your body's ability to respond to insulin, which eventually leads to the abnormal metabolism of carbohydrates and leading to spike blood sugar levels. And the diabetes is one of the most common health condition that faces by millions across the world. So in this point, the crucial condition, I just wanted to add that in Ayurveda, diabetes referred to as मधुमेह, जिसे हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, मधुमेह. And as a part of its treatment, Ayurveda suggests avoid the excess intake of sweets, simple carbohydrates. It is imperative to include more green leafy vegetables, some bitter and healthy herbs like aloe vera are also an mental in managing your diabetes. Okay, सो हम बोलते हैं जो चीज़ हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती है वही चीज़ हमारे शरीर के लिए अच्छी होती है. मुझे करेला अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बट यस, इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. Okay, so in Ayurveda, there are three fundamental dohas. हमने फार्मेसी में भी पढ़ा है और मेडिकल में भी डॉक्टर्स ने पढ़ा है ड्यूरिंग देयर स्टडीज यूजी लेवल्स. वात पित्त कफ, वात पित्त कफ. ओके, ये तीन चीज पे वर्क करते हैं. And good health is considered to be a perfect state of balance of between these three doshas. What I said, Vat, पित्त, कफ, इस तीनों चीजों को हमें मैनेज करना है, बैलेंस करना है. अगर ये बैलेंस नहीं होते हैं, देन बॉडी में सभी सिम्टम्स और सभी बीमारियों की जड़ इसी से ही शुरू होती है. सो many ayurvedic experts said the diabetes development is a result of the diminishes function of our digestive fire, which may trigger high blood sugar level. Here are few homemade remedies which I'm going to share with you. You can start taking turmeric. That is good supplement. Like turmeric is used in each condition, like the in corona kal maybe up you can use turmeric. It is anti cancer, it has anti cancer activity, it is having antibacterial activities, it is having wound healing activities, etc, etc. So you need to consume turmeric. Okay, so drinking water in a copper vessel, हम बोलते थे हमारे you know ancestors, हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग, दे बोलते थे कि तांबे के लोटे में पानी रख के पीना, that is good for health. Definitely it works. So there will be a science behind. Since time immemorial, drinking water in a copper vessel has been considered very healthy for overall functioning of our body. According to the scientific aspects, if we think on this and we have taken a review, this practice may help prevent the fluctuation of blood sugar levels. All right, the water stored in a copper vessel is called tambrajal, and it helps in balancing all of these three doshas. Put 1 cup of water into a copper vessel over a night and drink the water in the morning, and see how amazing results you will get. अगर हम उस कॉपर के वेसल में पानी रात में रख के मॉर्निंग में पीते हैं, तो जो हमारे तीन दोष हम बोलते हैं कफ वात पित्त, ये तीनों दोष से हम मुक्त होंगे. तो हमारा लाइक हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ठीक रहेगा. सो हमारी बॉडी पूरी तरह से डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन का काम करेगी इन दैट सिचुएशन. ऑलराइट, ओके. So diabetes management, the drinking water from copper vessel has been considered one of the miraculous. Okay, second I just wanted to add, according to the Ayurvedic practices, and even we are used to with our day-to-day life, like diabetes should definitely have a stock of methi dana, fenugreek. How many of you heard methi, fenugreek seeds in their home? Everyone has in their kitchen fenugreek seeds. So you can consume this fenugreek seeds, sprouts, or drink this fenugreek water the first thing in the morning. So that will works. Definitely it will works. You note down this. Okay, third I just wanted to add, the bitter is better. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम ये भी कहते हैं सत्य कड़वा होता है, लेकिन होता तो सत्य है, एक्सेप्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. उसी तरह से बिटर इज बेटर. जिस तरह से एजा डायरेक्टा इंडिका, कड़वी नीम की पत्ती एंटी बैक्टीरियल एंटी माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी है, हम लेते हैं. निम्बोली के बीजे भी हम लेते हैं, इतनी कड़वा है. एज अ डायरेक्टर इंडिका की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हैं. उसी तरह से यहाँ एक कंसेप्ट है, बिटर इज बेटर. ऑलवेज बिटर इज बेटर. You accept this principle. Okay, so in this condition I just wanted to add to refraining from sweet and loading up on bitter ingredients like ham seeds, bitter gourd, amla. Amla is not somehow bitter, but uh, after chewing it somehow bitter. And aloe vera have also been found effective in managing and controlling the diabetes. So accept the principle of bitter is best. Exactly. Okay. So next, I wanted to add all the elements in Ayurveda in our home remedies are due to some imbalance of an individual doshas. Okay, so type 1 is described as an imbalance of vata. Vata means I hear air and wind. Here, air and wind is relevant to the vata. Okay, so and type 1 diabetes is described in the imbalance between vata, air and wind. And the type 2 is excess of kapha. Kapha means like earth and water. ये आता है आपका दोष कफ कफ में. ठीक है. Now eating regimented meals that contains less fatty foods thrice a day is very important. Try and avoid dairy products and you need to opt the skimmed milk, low fat yogurt. Don't prefer the flavored yogurts. You just take normal low fat yogurt. Okay, that will be good. Ginger tea helps that is because that stimulates our digestion, and which is very beneficial in reducing the excess of caffeine in your system. Even ginger and the lemon is also used for reducing the weight, body weight. Now comes to the our condiments. आप जब से सोच रहे होंगे प्रीति मैडम इज सेइंग लाइक हम होममेड रेमेडीज की तरफ से जा रहे हैं. सो दादी जी के नुस्खे घर से ही शुरू होते हैं. तो नाउ मूव्स टू दी use of spices. So there are so many spices that have shown the anti-diabetic properties. For instance, asafoetida. कौन बताएगा? Asafoetida, hing, yes, turmeric, haldi, cinnamon, mustard, coriander. Use them in your meals. Drink and manage diabetes naturally. So you need to adopt this condiments in your day-to-day foods. Okay, so if you are diabetic and are considering an ayurvedic way of fighting and managing the conditions, you need not to be go for the allopathic ones. So you started your lifestyle modification. You started searching condiments in your home. Start taking antioxidants. That's very much required. So we know that this condiments are very much effective results and has an anti-diabetic activity too. Okay, so do not make any drastic dietary changes on your own. Like uh, in the starting I said limit is you need to set the limit. अति नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी चीज की. सो यही नोट मैं फिर से बोलूंगी. Do not make any drastic dietary changes on your diet. Always need to consult with your expert, specialist, doctors. Yes, you start taking some natural foods, natural antioxidants. Lemon is good. You start taking giloy juice is good. Avla is good. So these are some good practices you need to adopt. Any questions? I done from my side. See, thanks Deepak Kushwaha ji. Thank you. Thanks Anupam ji. Thanks Dr. Ute. Thanks Dr. Pooja. Uh, if you guys any question that's relevant to the diabetes, you may write in a chat box, in a Facebook, in a Zoom, whatever the medium you prefer. Uh, Thanks, Dr. Munna Al Raviji, for watching the session. I said, whatever the queries you have, we can get a session on that also, because, uh, yes, I'm done. I done. I have completed my session. Now it's your turn. If you have any queries, so you may write down in the chat box so that I will be answer one by one. Okay. So I think you don't have any question. So we can conclude our session with the fact that just wait. Somebody has write something. Any questions relevant to our topic you can ask. I'm ready to give the answer one by one. Yes, definitely. See, diabetes can be very devastating disease. We know that for one to endure, and for one, they will need medicine for diabetes, insulin shots for the rest of their life. So, as there is no definite cure for this yet, so better you need to adopt the lifestyle modification. So it can be very tiring, even like discouraging one. So start like you improving self management is required. So motivation is what get you started, habit is what keep you going on. So start changing your routine with lifestyle modification. The only message I just wanted to give, and somebody has asked me a question. Okay, okay. So people one of the most amazing thing that can keep you focus on managing your diabetes is motivation. So you keep on motivating your friends, your family, and even yourself. Once you are able to consistently do these things, it forms into a good habit which is tough to break, and start transformation yourself. Like words have power. What you are saying, that words has power. Like you don't give the disease any more permission to ransack your body by claiming it's your. You need to say something more positive, like I have diabetes but I have working on it. Believe you can. You are halfway there. It all starts in the mind, and it just keep reminding yourself that you can beat it, you can beat it. Definitely let's food be your medicine, and medicines your food. It's up to you. I'm just giving my example. A few days before I went to the doctor, I said, there is a severe numbness in my hands. So I have the issue. So I went to the doctor. He said, like you have like sitting job. And I said, okay, I have my sitting job. So he said, you have cervical problem. I went to another doctor. He said, you have another problem. So what I observed, I didn't have any problem relevant to the cervical and anything else. The thing is, I need rest, and they have given me so much medicines. So at that moment, I realized that हमें या तो लाइफस्टाइल ठीक करना है, या तो दवाइयों को लेके चलना है। दवाइयों को हमें खाने की तरह खाना है, या खाने को हमें दवाई की तरह खाना है। तो ये कंडीशन आ गई थी। सो इन दिस कंडीशन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से दैट Let's food be your medicine and medicine your food. So the key to keeping your blood sugar level down is to keep eating a balanced diet. Start keeping fruits, vegetables, meat, but that's not lean. That's lean one. That way you don't end up relying on artificial made too much. Okay, so last but not the least, I just wanted to say that a hero is an ordinary individual who find the strength to persevere and endure in spite of overwhelming obstacles. So be hero or heroine of your own life. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay home, and keep motivating all. Thank you so much, lovely. Bye.